Verifying top hat suitability for a bay size is now easy. Let's look at a pass first. This Region A design uses a 6112 top hat, 1.2mm base metal thickness for a span of 2.5 metres, with the purlin spaced at 600mm centres. This gives a deflection of 5mm, well below the legal threshold specified by the Australian standards. The member's strength characteristics, its IX value, combined with its bay size, dictates the maximum centres. You can see the 600mm is well below the threshold. The mathematics is relatively straightforward. The Australian standards stipulate maximum legal deflection at span divided by 300, so 10mm for a 3 metre stick. Actual deflection and maximum legal centres are calculated using the span and the member's IX value, where span is the bay size. This is a legal use of top hat. Let's look at an illegally used top hat. We do not recommend going below 1mm base metal thickness, but for this example, we'll use 0.75mm, a 6175, using a span of 2.5 metres. You can see the deflection has stepped up to 8.1. Still legal, still underneath the legal maximum. The maximum centres has stepped back to 616mm, but our centres are below that, so this stick is still okay. Let's overload the member by putting it into a larger bay. You can see that the maximum centres has dropped back to 151mm. We're far exceeding that at the moment. We'll increase the load width, the actual load on this member, by increasing the centres. You can see there the maximum centres hasn't varied because the bay size hasn't varied. However, the load has increased, so the deflection of the member is now 123.6mm, which is almost 10 times the Australian limit. Use this tool to verify your designs, to specify top hat, or to analyse existing sheds. If you have any trouble at all, feel free to contact us.